Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kisangma ulang ba thu ke Kylla Ktien ki ba kenno ba sneu balang dar sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela ba Mynshwa Siew ba Mynta par Siew syakah New Trap National Liberation Council na ke Jingbthei Halor ke Jingkam ke channel C ke Jingbthei bom ID hadhar company ke badan Shillong East Chandy Hills District ke belajar khastap senia khasan trek no projectsan na kaliang Menteri Rangba ke Jela ulang ba sarkar kamla ban priang ya kum kini ke Jingcha habakran sigilat pthai khobor kharkhnai trek no project Menteri Rangba ke Jela luang baki pulit kila yo ek jingtip ke batikna halor ke ni jingja but kumta kin sa shem yak senjam nang ni shakhman.
Earlier they were saying that he was paying and now they're saying that he's not paying, so it's quite a bit of contradictory thing. But the point here is that that obviously this kind of things will not be tolerated by the government, and I don't want to go too much into details, but the police has made very strong links, and I should say they have come to the conclusion they have information enough to act on this incident and with full evidence, and so therefore we will be I'm sure the SP will be sharing that with you tomorrow. I'm aware about it, but it's inappropriate for me to share. So action has been taken, police has been very swift, and we have enough to act on the information on the incident that has happened, and the individuals behind that will definitely be picked up.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya